Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn to spell English vocabulary on the topic of fruit names through real video images. Let's get started. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Blueberry. B-L-U-E-B-E-R-R-Y. Blueberry. Raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Sapodilla. S-A-P-O-D-I-L-L-A. Sapodilla. Starfruit. S-T-A-R-F-R-U-I-T. Starfruit. Lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Durian. D-U-R-I-A-N. Durian. Dragon fruit. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-R-U-I-T. Dragon fruit. Rambutan. R-A-M-B-U-T-A-N. Rambutan. Mangosteen. M-A-N-G-O-S-T-E-E-N. Mangosteen. Longan. L-O-N-G-A-N. Longan. Lychee. L-Y-C-H-E-E. Lychee.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.